welcome back to my channel. And so today I will be making two videos because I haven't made a video since 3 weeks ago. And yeah, so I chose a super easy song, just 3 chords, and that song is still D.R.E by Dr. D.R.E and Snoop Dogg. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So now we have switched the camera angle, as you guys can see right here. You don't see my face. So for this song, you could use a capo. It's not mandatory, but it will sound better, like the original music as it is, or yeah. So without a capo, you would put your fingers on the 5th fret, or if you would be willing to put the capo, or if you have a capo, put it on the 1st fret. First fret. There we go. So make sure it's not on the fret lines, the metal things. It's on the center, so it would sound the best as it could, and it's not like this. Make sure it's covering all the strings and not missing any. Can you guys see? No, you can't. So I would put it on the 1st fret if I was you, and that's your opinion, or it's an option to put it wherever you like. So count 5 frets. I know where mine is, but I'm just gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be right here. So the 3 chords that we're going to use are these chords. So we're going to be using 3 fingers, or 4, for this whole song, and it has 3 chords, like I said before. So go on the 5th fret of your guitar, and put your fingers like I'm putting them. Like that. So then you're gonna strum 4 strings, or 3, sorry. Then you have to do that 3 times. Well, do it until it sounds right to switch, so. Then you're gonna move your middle finger down 1 fret, so. Then, when you're here, you're gonna remove your pinky, put in your first, or your pointer finger on the 3rd fret 1st string, and technically it's 4th, but I have the capo there, and so it's gonna sound like that. So we're gonna go back to the 1st position. And so we're only gonna use downstrokes, and for the first time you start playing, or when you start playing the song, start slow, like 1 string by 1 string, so then go like that, so and if you want to learn the finger style, which is the same thing, but you just add your thumb and your fingers, is basically making a C kind thing. Putting your hand there and your thumb there. When you go down, make sure to change the chords and pluck the 5th or the 4th, depending which section you're on. So you could add like a beat to it each time you strum and hit the board, it would make it sound like, it would just make it sound like the song itself. So that was it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and be safe. Bye.